Alright, I thought the first card we'd make would be this one, sending you lots and lots of happy. So all the pieces you need the card and an envelope. And it's best if you used something to keep it folded. Got my bone folder. If you use this just to press it down, just to make sure it stays as flat as possible. Okay. Yeah, you can see it. Right. And you need one of those, one of those, one of these, and a strip there. So first of all, if we do the strip down, you'll need some sort of glue. You can use whatever glue you've got. This is the only thing that doesn't come with the kit. You've got the dimensionals to be able to make it stand out, but you haven't got anything to adhere the base pieces on with. So if you're using wet glue, it gives you a bit of a chance to some wiggle room, as they call it. There we go. So that's stuck down. Then we've got this piece and that piece and this piece left. This will go in between these. So we need to colour this in with our colours, and then we need to stamp our sentiment. Maybe we should do the sentiment first, using the basic black Stampin' Spot, which comes with the kit. You take the spot to the stamp rather than the other way around, and I won't do it first of all onto the sheet. I'll use a piece of scrap paper first. Easier said than done. There you go. 2 secs. Here we go. I'll use the back of that. Plenty of ink on this. Really make sure it's covered. Here we go. And we'll put it straight onto the stamp now. So get it centered as much as possible and press down. Leave it so that you've got time for it to, the ink to sink into the paper, well, the card. There you go. Well, you can see it. I think you might need the ink pad needs perhaps something. There we go. Anyway, right, we've stamped our card. You can read it. It's okay. And now we can colour our flowers in. So on the picture here, it shows that the smaller flowers are in the darker colour and the bigger flowers are in the paler colour, and then you've got the 2 different shades of green on the leaves. Okay, so I'll do this quickly. A leaf. You probably won't see it anyway. We'll do the now. might notice I'm trying to use the side of the pencil rather than, because that way you can sort of make it do a bit more subtle blending. You haven't got the lines so much showing. There we go. And then we've got the leaves. I think probably the lighter colour first for the centres. The leaves. And then you can use, oh, I've missed a flower. There you go. And then the darker one on the outside of the leaves. Give your leaves a little bit of dimension. Bit of shading. There we go, nice and quick. If you have got one, you can use either a paintbrush or an aqua painter. If I can find mine. But a paintbrush is fine if you've got one, and just use drop of, just try and just do it as a tiny drop of water if you've got some. It just helps to, you don't want it to be too wet though. Just use a small amount of water and you can just blend the colours. If you've got any lines, this helps just to soften any lines you've got as well. But don't forget to wipe the colour between, wipe the paintbrush off between colours as well, so that you don't mix your colours together. It's fine. We're done with that. Oh, there they are. Just clean that off my brush. Go. What you can do, if you don't think it's dark enough, you can actually transfer some paint onto the brush and you can darken them that way as well, if you want to add a little bit more colour. And then to just make sure there's no more colour on the brush, and just blend the greens together. Brings the colours together and it also brightens them a little bit. There we go. That one. Might need a little bit more colour on there. There we go. If you have used your watercolour brush, you can, or a water brush or aqua painter or something similar, don't forget you need to probably wait for your water to dry a little bit. Don't know what I got. It doesn't take too long, but at the moment it is still a bit wet. So if I can find a piece of tissue just to try and dry them off a bit, I'll do that. That's easier said than done. Let's see. Tissues anyway. Nearly dry. See if this will work. There we go. That's better because that was the wettest one. Just try. Oops, didn't want to do that. Don't do what I'm doing. Just let them dry first. Actually, think that's done. You could do a similar sort of thing using the Wink of Stella pen if you've got one of those. It'll also give a bit of a sheen to the flowers. Right, so we can make this card up now. So we're now going to put this one on top here. So we need a bit of glue on the back. There you go. There we go. I'll then put this down. Next. There we go. And then we'll put this on some dimensionals. Probably I would only use 2 or 3, put one in the middle rather than 2. But there we go, it'll be fine. There you go, whoops. And then we put this, try and centre it. There you go. And there you have your little card. So we finished our first one.